Hi guys, my name is Crystal and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I've got to do this video as fast as I can because my phone is playing up today. Alexa, what's the time please?
The time is 11:48 a.m.
Right, so guys, I ordered a couple of things and one of them's arrived very quickly. Basically I'm keeping safe. At 11:26 a.m. this morning, I got a message. You want some naughty fun on WhatsApp? I did. From Cozy Day 40, sent on the 3rd of the 11th, 23, which is today. So, I get this message. 2 minutes afterwards, my buzzer rings. 2 minutes after that message, my buzzer rings. Go to the buzzer. I can see there's a delivery guy. I can also see the cleaner. I can see the male cleaner with a beard in front of my camera, and behind him is the delivery guy. Hello, Christy. Hello, Christy. Can you come down? So I put my slippers on, my ghost face slippers that I got yesterday. I've got the same clothes I'm wearing in videos, and I go downstairs. And the cleaner is putting an entry into the cleaning piece of paper in the notice board, and right beside him is my microwave oven that I ordered yesterday from eBay. Now, I'm dressed like this. I haven't got shorts on. I'm fully dressed. I've got a jumper. I've got trousers on and my slippers because I'm lounging around in my flat by myself. And the microwave oven is very heavy. It's heavy. The cleaner was in front of the microwave oven. I went behind the cleaner, grabbed the microwave oven. I couldn't believe how heavy it was. And I shuffled towards the door, opened the door myself, lifted the microwave oven, and then I went into the lift by myself. So I'm a 5'5" woman, and I lifted this up by myself. And I put it into the lift. The delivery driver left it on the floor. I picked it up from the floor. I shuffled myself to the lift, and I have taken it from the lift to my flat. Now, this is the microwave oven. I'm Crystal. Direct vacuums and household appliances, new, repackaged. A brand new, never used item that may have suffered from slight packaging damage. If the box is too damaged, we replace it with a plain brown box. The item itself is unused but may have a very slight cosmetic marks where it has been tested and repackaged. However, most are simply brand new and are supplied with a 1-year direct vacuums warranty. So I didn't know this when I bought it. I didn't know that the packaging had been damaged. I didn't know. So the outer packaging is damaged. Let's see what the microwave oven looks like once we open it. God, that's made me out of breath lifting that. I must be getting old. Woman's work is never done. It isn't. I'm playing detective as well as trying to get through every day. I don't get any help or support even though people have said that I'm not well, so fair enough. Right, I think that's open. Let me put this knife away. Let's have a look inside. So we've got the usual polystyrene. I hate polystyrene. Get rid of that as soon as possible. Well, the microwave itself is packaged. The box has got funny marks on it, but the microwave itself looks okay to me. Now let's lift it out of the box carefully. So inside the box we've got more polystyrene. It's a 700 watt yellow textured microwave, 5 power settings, a 35-minute timer, features defrost setting. Discover more at george.com. And it's got a coordinated kettle and toaster. So at a later date I could get a coordinated toaster and kettle to go with it. Fits 27 centimetre plates, 17 litre capacity. Gross weight on the bottom. Gross weight 11.80 kilograms. So it's in, here it is itself. Just lift it up. This is it itself. It is packaged in plastic bag wrapping. I'm just going to look inside it. It's manual. But my other one is manual as well. The old microwave sound. Open it, and as it should be, smaller than my other one, as it should be, it is packaged, it's packaged in brown cardboard, sellotape stuff on it. There's your glass plate there, and it's gold, the base. So it's a nice microwave oven. No problem with that. It all appears to be in good working order. Warning, as microwave oven has radiation and high pressure, it is strictly prohibited to repair except the professional personnel. Oh, there's a cardboard covering that as well. Well, obviously I'm going to have to plug it in and test it. It's a George Home microwave. It is indeed very heavy to the right side. It's very heavy. George Home microwave, guys. So that's come today. And I love the ping of microwave ovens. There you go. So I've carried this, I brought it upstairs in the lift by myself. See you later.